In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an opportunity in Salesforce CRM. So first, navigate to your Salesforce homepage and make sure you're logged in. Then click on Sales in the left menu bar. And from there, click the Opportunities tab. Now you'll see the New button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click that. After that, you'll need to enter your opportunity name in the Opportunity Name field. Make it something clear and descriptive. Next, select the account that's associated with this opportunity. You can use the account name dropdown or just search for it. Once that's done, enter your close date by clicking the Date field, then select when you expect to close this deal. Now choose the appropriate stage from the Stage dropdown menu. This should reflect where your opportunity currently stands in your sales process. From there, add your forecast category and double-check that everything looks good to go. Finally, click Save to create your new opportunity. And that's how you create an opportunity in Salesforce CRM. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.